In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage team access permissions in Buffer. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what each permission setting means so you can keep your publishing workflow smooth and secure. Start by opening Buffer. Once you're in, head to the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is your quick route to account level options. From the menu that appears, click Settings. Settings is where you control how Buffer behaves for your account and your team. Inside Settings, select Channels. This page lists every social media account you've connected to Buffer. Take a moment to find the specific channel you want to manage. If you have a lot of channels, scan the list carefully so you're adjusting the right one. This helps avoid confusion later. Next to the channel name, look for the three dots menu. Click it to open additional options, then choose Team Access. This opens the Edit Channel Permissions window, which is where the real work happens. In this window, you'll see your team members and their current access for that channel. Before changing anything, review what's already set. This quick check prevents accidental permission changes and helps you understand your baseline. Now you're ready to manage access levels. You can adjust permissions for individual people, or if you want to move everyone to the same level in one step, use the Set All control. It gives you three clear options. Grant full posting. Access allows team members to create, schedule, and publish posts without needing approval. This is ideal for trusted users who handle day-to-day publishing. Set All to requires approval keeps quality control in place by letting team members draft or schedule content that still needs a designated approver to sign off before it goes live. This is great for training, sensitive brands, or campaigns that need oversight. Remove All access is the most restrictive choice. It prevents selected users from posting or managing content for that channel. Use this when a team member no longer needs to work on that account. As you make changes, think about your workflow. Full access speeds things up, approval adds a review layer, and removing access tightens control. When everything looks right, click Save Changes. This applies your updates immediately and ensures your team's permissions reflect your current needs. That's it. You've opened Buffer, navigated to Settings and Channels, located your account, used the three dots to access team access, reviewed existing permissions, set the appropriate access levels with Set All, and saved your changes.